G'day folks, Damon from Nomad Design Tackle. I'm at the ICAST show, got the new heavy duty split ring pliers that we've released at the show. These have been designed over years and years of testing to be the best split ring pliers that you can use for large split rings. So anything from a size 8 up to a size 11 heavy for any sort of casting applications where you're trying to rig large stick baits, trolling minnows, anything that requires opening a big split ring that typically smaller pliers just can't handle. These things will just eat it up. Get in and check them out. Absolutely a must-have for any offshore fishing.